Mark Gurman is back with a new report in Bloomberg about how Apple's device lineup may be evolving over the next 12 months. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. Mark Gurman revealed thar sources say the company aims to present an overhaul of the baseline MacBook Pro in the first half of 2027. The 14-inch entry-level laptop will now sport a new design that aligns with the look of the higher-end computers likely to be announced starting in the fall. Gurman suggests that lineup will include Apple's first touchscreen MacBook, which was previously rumored for the M6 laptop generation. In addition to the new entry-level laptop, Apple is reportedly testing out 4 new iPad Pro models. Although specifics of the new tablets were not shared, sources suggested that the next round of iPads would focus on features for improving performance while retaining the current size options of 11 inches and 13 inches. Unlike previous years, spring is becoming the time when Apple makes more announcements for its entry-level and budget products, and even sometimes pulls off the occasional surprise. In spring 2026, we got the MacBook Neo alongside a new iPhone, iPads, and MacBook Pros. Even without the potential addition of 5 products, spring 2027 was already shaping up to be similarly chock full of news from Apple. On the smartphone side, we were already expecting to hear about the base model of the iPhone 18 and an update to the iPhone Air. It could also be when Apple breaks from its Pro and Max tradition and skips straight to M7 Silicon. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.